Hi guys, so it's Jimmy Baby again, and I'm trying my best right now so that you guys can actually have footage of me using my Canon Rebel T6 camera. Like, I tried not to use my phone anymore because I think that you guys should have higher quality videos. So I'm trying my best, guys. It's really busy this time, and it's really hot, so in case we have a fan in the background. But basically, this Sacha Buttercup setting powder is really nice, and it has a lot of yellow undertones to it, and I really like it. It's very velvety soft, and it's really thin. It's not as thick as the other rest of powders that are out there. So just give me a moment and I will actually open up the container and let you see how it looks. So as you can see, it is very finely milled. Look at it. Like, look at that. It is so thin and velvety soft. I really like it, and it's more realistic to anyone that has yellow undertones to their skin. Not everybody is peachy, not everybody has pink undertones. Some of us actually have golden yellow undertones to our skin. Just saying. So look at it. I just love it. It's actually so soft, and it gives you a more realistic look. But if you're not interested in that color, they have other colors as well. But this is for people like with yellow undertones to their skin. Like, I have all kinds of undertones to my skin, so you can use them. Don't be afraid to use the different colors that they have available. And if you want to know their website or anything like that, I'll just link it below. So thank you so much, and this is my review. And if you want some kind of tutorial of me actually applying my makeup, it goes on so seamless, guys, and I just love how it looks and how it feels. I got some on my pillow, sorry. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.